Hey guys, how you doing? It's Friday. We're in the kitchen. Got to make food for Food Friday. So, this one is a extra special one. I actually have two people that I need to reference in this one, or shout out, or say thank you, big high five. Yeah, whatever you want to do to them. But also, go check out the first person. Is Tool Review Zone. He does a lot of tool reviews and, in his zone. Yeah. So, and then the other people are these people. And their name is Mud and More Mixball. They did not intend it to be used for what I'm going to use it for. So, what we're going to do today, as per Tool Review Zone, he actually nicknamed me, instead of Edge Every Day, it's Eggs Every Day. So guess what? We're making scrambled eggs in the mud mix and... What's the name of this thing? Mud and More Mix Bowl. So... let's see if we can get that right in there for you. There you go. No, let me write. Yeah. Alright, about time. So, that's what we're going to do. I'm making scrambled eggs in that. That is designed for like plaster, spackle, mortar, stuff like that. But this is kind of to prove to,
that tools do belong in the kitchen.
My lovely wife, that tools do belong in the kitchen. I mean, I know. The Sawzall blade that I have in the drawer is a little far-fetched, but this is what we're going to do. We're going to make it in this mixing bowl, and we're going to make scrambled eggs. We're going to have breakfast for dinner. So... hope you guys enjoy it. Follow me to the other side. Let's get started.
You didn't mention the rubber mallet as a tenderizer.
No, I didn't.
Or the sheet metal cutters as skewer cutters.
Yeah.
Okay. So how was I helping?
You're going to crack the eggs in here for me.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Should I put an apron on?
No, you're just going to crack the eggs.
Alright. Well, that's what I'm sure.
Alright, so here's what this kit comes with. It's the Mud and More Mix Ball, which is, it's patent pending, which, if it works like I think it will, it's going to be good. It comes with a drill-powered spatula. It comes with these cups that are for... it's for like mortar and stuff, so we don't need them. And then we have the ball, which, by the way, I don't know if it's FDA approved, but I've eaten food out of worse vessels. So, and I'm going to cook it, so it'll be safe. Once again, guys, don't try this at home. Especially since you're going to be using a drill that is not intended to be used in your kitchen. So, my assistant is going to crack eggs in my mixing bowl. And while she cracks eggs in the mixing bowl, I am going to mount my drill paddle spatula thing.
It's not a bowl. It's a ball.
And this is going to be for Richard Gardner. Oh yeah, alien green. So, as you can see, like any normal drill, you just mount it. There you go. That's how we do it. So we're going to go with, what do you say, 4 eggs?
It's up to you.
We're going to do 4 eggs. Oh, wait a second. You have to have the most important part in... There we go. And you want to make sure you season on every level, which is just the beginning. So I'm going to heat up my pan. And look at, here we go. Yep. You definitely have to make sure that you salt and pepper. You see we got eggs in there. So now this is also supposed to be so it doesn't splash out. But it's also supposed to be used for, you know, a thicker consistency. So let's see what happens. If it's a fail, it's a fail. I'll post it anyway. Worst comes to worst, I have to clean my kitchen. So, here we go. We take our drill. I think I want that. I think we need to ramp this up a little bit. We got to put this on speed too. Let's get it going. What do you think? You're supposed to pick it up, put it in your hand. I'll start slowly. This thing... Alright guys, I don't know if you can see that, but I have scrambled eggs. Nothing flew out of it. It stayed inside. I think this is going to work excellent. So, let me go ahead and my pan feels hot. So, here we go. Let's see if it's hot enough. This wasn't the fail, I was. But, since we're making scrambled eggs, a cooler pan isn't a bad thing. So we're going to pour all of our eggs into the pan. Because, you know, you got to, like, smoosh them around and stuff. And I'll have to say, I mean, they all poured out pretty clean. And you can turn this thing inside out, too. So it makes for easy cleanup. Sorry. And my wife is laughing at me because it's sitting in the sink with the other dirty dishes and it's a tool. So now guys, I'm not editing anything here. You're going to get the raw form. And just to be funny. Yeah, to be funny. This is going to be my spatula to make my eggs. Now, as you know, with scrambled eggs, you have to go slow. And you slide it off to the side. And you just let them cook. I mean, come on guys. It's that simple. As my pan heats up, you slide them over. When it gets done, mix them around a little bit. Get rid of all the, as I say, snotty eggs. So let's see if this is multi-purpose. Can we cook with this in the kitchen? I don't think my wife is thrilled with this idea. She's over there laughing at me. So what's your take on this?
It's ridiculous.
Is it working?
Mm-hmm.
Can I use this for Sunday brunch?
Mm-hmm. I could totally whisk eggs with my fingers, though. I'm just saying.
So guys, here we go. Let's see if it works. I'm going to put you right over the pan now. Let me, there you go. And here we go. Once again. Using my spatula. Look at these eggs. Now guys, I want to let you know, since I'm using cast iron, this isn't going to work that great. But let's see if we can get scrambled eggs with this. kind of clean that up, I will have to get a regular spatula out, though. Where's my... Alright. So we want to get this off the bottom here. A drill-powered spatula doesn't really do that too well. But now that we got that off the bottom, works as a flipper. It kind of rolls off a little bit. Let's get that over. So let me know in the comments below, guys, if you think this is... I was going to say practical, but I mean the whole, like, whisking them up part was very practical. This part is just for beep and giggles. Have you ever had a spatula that wasn't in the right position? Solves all your problems. Look, there you go. Look. Scrape that out. Oh, this one needs to be flipped over. So what do you think, guys? Is this actually working? I mean, I'm sure that this is definitely not the intended purpose. But hey, come on. You gotta like this. Gonna get our plate out. Move these around a little bit. They look good to me. I know, guys, this is not what you were thinking for my Food Friday. But yes, I mean, I could do this. I have nice scrambled eggs. So now, since I am using cast iron,
You're gonna burn yourself in the top.
I'm going to try not burn myself. Slide that right out. Pop that on there. There you go, guys. Scrambled eggs with this. Oh, and this. It is the Mud and More mix ball. So guys, if you're going to use this for a construction application, it will work very well. There's no splatter or anything like that. So, you know, just make sure that you don't do what I did. This was intended to be just a funny video. So, hope you guys enjoyed. So guys, hope you enjoyed. It was just a funny one. I will probably be using that for its intended purposes, but I had to do this first before I used it for any construction application, and you know why. And for people that are asking, yes, I am going to eat them eggs. So don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, get in the kitchen. Keep cooking. Have a nice one, guys. See ya.